2027 Buick Envista is shaping up to be one of the most talked about small crossovers on the market, and the 6 reasons everyone is obsessing over it are exactly what we are breaking down today. If you have been circling the subcompact crossover segment and walking away disappointed because nothing in your price range looks refined enough or comes equipped enough to justify the commitment, the Invista is about to change that search entirely. It's arriving with design presence, interior space, and feature coverage that typically requires spending far more to find anywhere else in this class. Number 6. Attractive styling. Few small crossovers generate as much real attention as the Invista does. Its swept-back silhouette, coupe-inspired roofline, and shark-nose front end are setting it apart from every competitor in this price range, doing it with a confidence usually reserved for vehicles costing far more. The aggressively slanted headlights and sculpted body lines are drawing comparisons to vehicles that start well above $50,000. That is not something a crossover under $30,000 gets to hear very often, and it is not accidental. Buick's design team made very deliberate choices to give the Invista a visual presence that punches well above its segment. But the current design is only part of the story. A styling refresh is in the works, and based on the direction Buick is heading, the updates are building on the boldness already in place rather than pulling back from it. Sharper lines and refined detail, work across the front and rear sections are expected to push the overall look even further into premium territory. The exterior is already making a powerful first impression, but a crossover that looks this good needs to back it up on the inside, and what Buick has done with the cabin is something most buyers in this segment never see coming. Number 5. Spacious cabin. This is the chapter that tends to catch most buyers off guard, because the Invista's interior space is not what people expect from a crossover this size. Finding real room in the rear seat of a small SUV is rare in this class, but the Invista is delivering it consistently in both rows. Shopping for a small crossover often means accepting that the back seat is barely functional for adults. It's a trade-off that gets old quickly when you are regularly driving family members or passengers of any size. It is one of the most overlooked frustrations in this segment, and it is usually discovered after the paperwork is already signed. That is exactly the problem Invista is solving. Despite sitting below the Encore GX in Buick's lineup, it is riding on a longer wheelbase, and that translates directly into real rear seat legroom. Front row occupants are getting a relaxed, well-positioned seating arrangement with good visibility. In the back, leg clearance is noticeably better than most rivals at this price point. The sloped roofline does trim headroom slightly compared to boxier alternatives, but not to the point of feeling restrictive. The rear climate vents and physical control layout are keeping both rows comfortable without added complexity. That interior space is impressive, but a roomy cabin means very little if the powertrain underneath is sending you to the gas station every other day, and that is exactly where the next reason to wait gets interesting. Number 4. Efficient powertrain. The engine under the hood is a turbocharged 1.2-liter 3-cylinder unit, and before that specification raises any concern, consider what it is actually delivering in real-world conditions. With 137 horsepower and 162 pound-feet of torque, routed through a 6-speed automatic transmission, this powertrain is producing a driving experience that feels sharper and more responsive than its displacement suggests. Every time fuel prices climb, owners of thirstier vehicles feel it immediately, a recurring expense that quietly compounds across the entire ownership period, and one of the most underestimated costs when comparing vehicles at the point of purchase. That is the problem this powertrain is directly addressing. The EPA is rating the Invista at 30 miles per gallon combined, and real-world highway testing has seen numbers climbing closer to 36 miles per gallon under favorable conditions. At those figures, this crossover is saving buyers hundreds of dollars annually compared to less efficient alternatives, money that stays in your pocket without sacrificing a capable driving experience to get there. Around town and during highway entry ramps, throttle response is immediate and gear changes are smooth. 0 to 60 miles per hour is coming in at around 8.8 seconds, quicker than the segment average, while the braking feel is firm and easy to modulate. The powertrain is handling the mechanical side of ownership well, but efficiency at the pump is only part of the equation, and the technology inside the cabin is doing something just as important in a way that most crossovers at this price still cannot match. Number 3. Easy-to-use tech features. Technology in this segment can be a real frustration. Systems that looked impressive during a dealership walkthrough often reveal themselves to be slow or unreliable within weeks of ownership. The Invista is approaching this problem differently, and the difference is clear from the first drive. Most people have experienced the irritation of an infotainment system that became a daily headache within a month. Laggy responses, wireless connections that drop mid-trip, and menu structures that feel like they were never designed with the driver in mind. It is the kind of friction that shapes the entire ownership experience. The Invista is built to avoid exactly that. The focal point of the cabin is a large curved display that unifies the digital instrument panel and central infotainment touchscreen into one continuous visual unit. The interface is organized and immediately intuitive, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are coming standard with a consistently reliable connection, still not something every crossover in this class can claim. 4 USB ports are spread across both rows, 1 Type A and 3 Type C. The climate system is keeping its physical buttons, so temperature and fan controls stay quick and intuitive without requiring screen interaction while driving. The tech experience is holding up well, but a great screen means very little if the rest of the vehicle is asking you to pay extra for features that should have been standard. And this is where the Invista starts to separate itself from the competition in a very specific way. Number 2. Lots of standard and available equipment. Equipment at the entry level is often where smaller crossovers cut corners, and buyers tend to discover that reality too late. The Invista is taking a different position. Even the base preferred trim is arriving with the 11-inch curved touchscreen, wireless smartphone integration, a backup camera, lane departure warning, and a full suite of passive safety systems. That is a level of baseline equipment that some rivals are still asking buyers to pay extra for. Heated front seats and a heated steering wheel are available without jumping to the top trim Avenir, and Buick is allowing most of the Avenir's features to be added a la carte on lower trims rather than forcing an all-or-nothing upgrade. The Sport Touring trim is coming in at around $28,000. The Avenir sits at approximately $31,500, adding premium materials and a more elevated interior finish. Beyond the sticker, the Invista is coming with 6 years and 70,000 miles of roadside assistance, well beyond what most competitors include at this price, along with 1 year of complimentary scheduled maintenance. Over a typical ownership period, those additions are delivering real monetary value that never appears in an MSRP comparison. All of that equipment builds a strong case on its own, but none of it lands quite as hard as what the final chapter is about to reveal. Number 1. Attractive price. Everything covered in the 5 previous chapters, the distinctive styling, the spacious cabin, the efficient powertrain, the intuitive technology, and the well-considered equipment list, is being packaged at a starting price of around $24,700. In a market where crossover pricing has been moving steadily upward, that number deserves a second look. What is making the price argument so strong is not just the number, it is what the number is getting in return. Rivals at this price point are presenting buyers with real trade-offs: less styling confidence, a tighter back seat, or a stripped equipment list. The Invista is not making those trade-offs. It is delivering a crossover that looks and feels like it belongs in a price range well above its own, and that gap between sticker and perceived value is precisely what is making this one of the strongest propositions in the subcompact segment right now. The 2027 Buick Envista is arriving as a crossover that is difficult to dismiss, a vehicle with styling that belongs in a higher price bracket, rear seat space that most rivals in this class cannot match, a powertrain keeping fuel costs consistently in check, technology that works the way it should, and an equipment list that is not asking buyers to pay extra for the basics. At around $24,700, the Invista is not just competing in this segment, it is quietly redefining what buyers should expect from it. And while the Invista plays on luxury and feature-loaded cards, some classmates are taking a completely different direction. One of those models is the Subaru Crosstrek, which you can check out in our next video. Excellent all-wheel drive system as a part of standard equipment, impressive ground clearance, and great overall practicality make the Crosstrek a natural choice for anyone looking for an adventure-ready compact SUV.